ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ringkat langbat ke pertai Barok Kawai, Kamigalia Parents Association for Disabled har ringkat ke jinge trailang bat ke Raj Bhavan Shillong, kila rakhe ya ke sni bakerpang jong ki breu ki badunat khotmet, ha ke ba ulat ke jela Satyapal Malik ulalong ukongsan. Hagani ke sni ulat samru ya ki sernot sha ke kong banri hun lang merthong, ke balalong ke nong mai syara, ha ke liang ke puli ke puthi, Kasilme di marak kebajudan benta ban pensyai pajba kekong show the way pakama kabalong ganong traikam lajong uba ban lamprang wankar ubadan benta ban kintio ye ke kolshor bat kekong dorita wan kabadan kebenta ha kekot kakhia hadin kani ulat sampat saye ki jingai ngobha shiki hybrid ki badunat khotmet haplau jong ka Raj Bhavan Shillong Hagani ke jingelang le don langru ki officer jong ka sarkar jilla lembat ka president ka Meghalaya Parents Association for Disabled ka kong belbora wankar bat kiway.
We are having perhaps the first ever celebration of the International Day for Persons with Disabilities in the Raj Bhavan campus. We are extremely thankful to our Honorable Governor Sir for guiding us to have such a beautiful program, which is no less than a similar program which was done in Rashtrapati Bhavan a few years back. Yes, these are COVID times. Yes, there is social distancing. Yes, maybe fewer number of people have come because of the protocol and norms. But in terms of spirit, in terms of the faith with which we are holding this program, it is no less than that Rashtrapati Bhavan program. And the same I have conveyed to Honorable Governor Sir. Honorable Governor Sir wished that this should be a program which is exclusively for our special friends, the children. There should not be any VIP. There is no need for anybody from the government. There is no need for any minister to come in grace. This is your day. Our Honorable Governor Sir is the chief guest, but all of you are guests of honor for us. We are very proud of you. We support you in everything that you are doing. And this is a small gesture from the side of Raj Bhavan to celebrate your special day, our special day, and to make it memorable. We are also thankful to Honorable Governor Sir that he not only allowed us to have this program, but through his support and motivation, there are so many other people also who have come forward for sponsoring many of the things. There are some gifts which are lying in the lawns outside for children. As per your wish, whatever you wish to choose, you can pick up. And we have, through the support of some charitable organizations under National Health Mission and the Food and Civil Supplies Department, and some of our friends, we have some small gifts like blankets and other things for all the participants, all the children who are here. So this is our small contribution to making this day a happy day, a special day for all of you. I know some of the people here for more than a decade. I know them for 10, 12 years. Madam Belbora, Mr. Sen Gupta, Madam Silme. I'm happy to see after such a long time. I have known these people for more than 10 years. And even after the passing of a full decade, 10 years, there is not even 1% reduction in their fighting spirit, in their capacity, in their motivation to work for the cause of differently able. And that inspires all of us. It inspires us to do our minimum which we can do for the cause of differently able.
India is one of the first countries to sign the mandate of United Nations Convention for Rights of Persons with Disabilities and adopted 22 types of disabilities to frame the laws at central and state level. But their aging process, higher degree of severity and their growing population gradually making themselves completely dependent on the service of parent or family members. This is, in short, we may call it an Indian family model. They are as widely spread 24/7 service provider as persons with disabilities are widely spread, whereas the institutional model cannot sustain such versatility in Indian context. I would rather like to explain with few keywords to change this perception on disability management in Indian context that shall have instant potential to reach out the entire population of disability in India with any kind of delivery of services at any given point time as below. Address family to address person, one family for one person, institutionalization to social role, valorization. The perception is based on the fact that India has the advantage in providing a strong community support structure and family support structure. There isn't a history of institutionalization of people with disabilities in India like there is in many Western countries. India is so vast country and the disability is perennially so widely spread and so deeply embedded that only family model can serve the requirement. It is high time that a reasonable shift be made from institutionalization process of disability sector to recognition of social role valorization by integrating persons with disability, parents, family members and professionals through Inclusive India initiative. The family model in India requires positive orientation, legal recognition and effective executing power in providing services to persons with disabilities. India should avoid the mistake of the Western world of institutionalization of persons with disability and find its own affordable alteration which should be more family based and community based, flexible, natural for long term care. India is a sovereign country and based on the call of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India must come out of its colonial mindset, structure and exercise its full right to portray the advantage at the family model to the world community for having the better alternative solution to the issues of the person with disability worldwide. You have all perhaps observed how a small girl through her yoga skill trying to valorize all of us. We need to spread the social role more widely in our society. Thank you. Jai Hind.
From the day we arrive on this planet, unthinking steps into the sun. There's more to be seen that can never be seen. What you do that can never be done. Some say